Yo, what's up, guys? So finally, we have the device we've all been waiting for. Appreciate everybody sticking through and sitting through my posts of being disappointed about not getting it. But yeah, the RedMagic 9 Mother Truckin' Pro, boy. We got the 24 gigabytes of RAM on board of LPDDR5X RAM on motherfucking board. I already said that, but boys, it is literally the greatest. I am the greatest. But yeah, this is the shit, man. Yeah, so you got the 9. Clearly this looks a lot like the RedMagic 8 box, except it's actually smaller. Like they definitely sized this down, man. So you got this on the side and all that. It's just very simple, very clean. The text, instead of going inward, does go outward. It's popped out a little bit. And yeah, so like I said, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 24 gigs of RAM. Dude, I'm excited for the, sorry about the hiding that info, but I need to do that real quick. Don't want IMEIs or anything getting out there. But yeah, what else? There's a 2000 hertz touch response rate on this phone. It is 8.9 millimeters thick versus the latter option, which was, okay, hang on, boys. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, boy. Okay, we're waiting weeks for this, bro. Yeah, boy. Okay. So, we got, it's like the rainbow thing going on, you know what I mean? Looks pretty tight, looks pretty freaking tight. Sorry about the out of focus. Hopefully that's a little better for y'all. Okay, yeah, so we got this. I'm assuming there's a SIM card in there. Yeah, probably a phone case. Definitely gonna use that. But yeah, dude. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go bloop. Yeah, so, okay. Oh, bitchin'. Okay, we got the little things. Yeah, hopefully you guys don't scan those, but if you do, oh well. Yeah, so your boy, we came through with the 165 watt charger. We have the black one, which is sick. Yeah, so red cable. And then the charger. So I have that yellow one now, and this one, which is good. Yeah, and then so this also has a more specs. So, but yeah, let's just real quick do specs. Sorry about the lighting; it's very strange. Admittedly, very strange. Sorry if you guys hear my cat in the background. I'm also annoyed. But yeah, doesn't do well alone. But yeah, so gotta peel this plastic off, baby, and we can see how thin the device looks. Oh boy, that's so clean looking. Oh shit. Okay. Hang on, let me peel the sticker off real quick. Ooh, no way. It has a, dude, it has a sick ass texture on it. It's like, dude, that's great. That's so sick. Okay, so yeah, I couldn't see this in the pictures and stuff, but this is, okay, so look at this, ready? Look how it shines. And then listen to this scratch. Like, fuck, dude, that's so fresh. You can only see it in the light too. Bro, okay, this is thin. Damn, this feels better. The spacing, for instance, guys, look, so sorry about the lighting. This is irritating. It's so hard to see anything because of the black phone. Yeah, okay, sorry about the lack of clarity there. Yeah, but yeah, you got the speaker grill, you have your antennas, you go around the side. Once again, 8.3 or 8.9 millimeters. Then you got the SIM card, the USB, the speaker grill or whatever. You have the switch. We have a, oh, no way. Okay, is it the power button? Did they move the power button? That's cool. Okay, so they changed up how the power button looked. I think that's the power button, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so they put everything on one side. And yeah, so this looks like it's the power button. So let's boot this baby on, bro. Yeah, so we have a 5,500 milliamp hour battery. But yeah, first boot up, man. Feels a lot better in the hand, I'm not gonna lie. It feels really good. The back feels less like glossy. It feels much more grippy. But yeah, dude, hell yeah. Yeah, so there's not gonna be any SIM setup just because it is the Chinese model and they install Google Play for us already. But yeah, so the boot up was looking fresh or whatever. But yeah, so we got this going on. Terabyte of storage, all that. Yeah, 5,500 milliamp hour battery. The 2000 hertz touch response. We have it all, boy. Okay, yeah, let's just click into this Game Center thing. I want to see if they really changed anything up or not. Yeah, okay, let's go. Oh, also though, boys, no camera bump. Look at that. It's 8.9 millimeters thin. No camera bump. I don't know if they sacrificed 4K or what they did to change it up. But yeah, dude, here's the fan. Yeah, I think that's the fan. And it looks like the camera. So they did a really clean job of making that look very flush. But yeah, no bump, guys. Like, fuck yes. This is like, I'm sure camera nerds are, like super dorky camera people like myself, or people that I know might be a little irritated that maybe it's not popped out because maybe the lenses aren't as good or whatever. But this is a gaming phone, boys. You know what I'm saying? It's not anything else besides that. So yeah, anyway, okay. So I don't have any games installed, but so you got like a fan. Turn that on. Ooh, that looks sick. Yeah, cool. So we got that. I think it's on in the settings. Yeah, you know, you got the whole toggles and all that. Yeah, so you got all the toggles. So yeah, this also has Android 14, man. So, ooh, snappy. Okay. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, man. You got phone, messengers, all that. Yeah, I mean, the phone's good. 50 megapixel camera, 4K recording. This button thing looks really fucking sick. Yeah, it's really, really awesome. Sorry about the quality in this one. It's not the best, guys. But yeah, first impressions, man. I really like how thin it is. The back feels very grippy. Ooh, this is actually kind of rubber. Maybe it's not rubber. It feels very grippy, you know? Yeah, so you got this whole ordeal right here. Sorry, y'all. Man, this lighting is killing me. I'm sorry, y'all. I wish I had better lighting. But yeah, so like you got the little light in there. It looks a lot better than the rainbow one, personally. Yeah, there's the third camera there. There's the flash, you know, the 9. You got it all. You got the triggers. Oh, the triggers have lights in them. They have RGB lights here. Let me, real quick, hit that Play Store for y'all. Real quick. Yeah, let's get that Play Store. Let's see. Let's sign in real quick. All right. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh yeah, there's no connection. Well, yeah. But yeah, I mean, this is a quick unboxing, but let's see here. Let's go to settings. Yeah, okay, so fortunately, I have no way to get to the internet because I don't have my SIM card and everything. But yeah, I mean, it's a quick unboxing, not much. There's the, I guess we'll go into here. We'll see real quick what's going on here. You know, you got the whole setup right here. But yeah, basically, guys, I'm really excited for the RAM. The battery life is decent. It's not as good, but yeah, we got the SIM ejector tool. We have, what do we have in here? So we have some comics tight. We got the whole thing. We have a case. Don't forget the case, boys. Let's see the quality. Is it the same case we've been getting year after year? Might be a little bit different, but yeah, still pretty flimsy. But it is a case, man. It comes with a case, you know, very clear. It's got the 3 camera cutout, all that stuff. Yeah, so we are looking good, boys. The whole ordeal is looking fresh. I'm gonna get more into all of this, of course. You know what I mean? Like, apologize about the brightness. I don't know if it's just the phone display showing it is very dark, but yeah, so I guess one quick look around the phone again. You know what I mean? Like, just in the light, very shiny, looking fresh. Feels light in the hand, man. It feels lighter than the other one. Very thin, very grippy. It feels like the bezels are maybe smaller, but yeah, it's an all-around, like, really good looking phone, man. Like, yeah, the lighting is driving me crazy. But you still get the idea. Still a solid looking device. Looks good, everybody. Yeah. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. You got the, you know, the triggers and all that. Let me know what you want to see in the comments, man. Like, you know, this is a sick device. We have the, and there are lights in here, and I'm going to show you guys when it lights up. I just don't really have any kind of thing to do for that yet, but we're going to get to all sorts of videos. Leave your videos below that you want. Everything like that. But yeah, I appreciate it. Quick unboxing, of course. And then it seems like I'm closing. But I guess what are some other first impressions? I kind of want to keep the video going a little bit longer. I like this, you know, felt kind of thing. It's kind of smudgy already with the fingerprints. I mean, it's glass. I mean, comparatively to my other one, like, I really think this one is much better. Like, it's just, it's pretty awesome, man. You know, like, I'm really really enjoying it. Don't have much, you know, the screen protector's on, looking fresh. It is the same thing it does. That was a pretty snappy response, man. I'm just happy it has Android 14, man. You know, the Android 14 is the way to go. And yeah, you know, you got your toggles, you got everything, you got Game Center, all the Google apps. So they hooked it up for us. You know what I mean? You got the customization, all that stuff. Seems like it's gonna be the same layout and everything. But it really just feels like the phone I want to use daily, man. Like it really feels fresh, like it's flush. This new like button thing on the side I mentioned, it's awesome, man. You know what I mean? It like shines. The triggers look bigger, but if you can see, if you have the old phone, just like look at this right now. See how far away the thing is from the vent? It's the same size vent. That should give you an idea of how much thinner it is. But yeah, guys, this is my favorite device I've owned so far from RedMagic. Let's see the camera, if there's a camera, all that, whatever. Boom, you know, picture. Cool, yeah, basic camera. Let's see the front. If it looks any better, probably not, but okay, let's see. Nah, still the same quality. Yeah, but whatever. Yeah, it's good to go, guys. It's really flush. I like it. I like the back. I love that shine. I like how the animation on the light thing's different. I mean, it just looks so much different compared to the other one. And yeah, so let me know suggestions below. That was kind of a first impressions video and all that. Apologies about the lighting if it looks terrible. I do apologize. But yeah, I just wanted to get you guys that first impressions video. What's popping? Very excited to get the videos for this device on the roll, man. Long time coming. But yeah, RedMagic 9 Pro Plus, boy, let's go, man. Fuck yes. All right, later, guys.
Are you threatening me?